In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the audio output on Zoom to a different speaker. This is a handy skill when you're dealing with multiple audio devices and want to switch up your audio preferences for clearer sound or for privacy reasons. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set for your next meeting. First, make sure you open up your web browser and go straight to zoom.com. This is where we'll start because most of your settings and profile adjustments are made directly through Zoom's main platform. Once you're there, you'll want to locate your profile icon. This icon is typically in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next up, you'll need to navigate to the web app. This is important because it allows us to initiate a new meeting setup, which is essential for tweaking our audio settings. After you've clicked on the web app, look for the option that says New Meeting. This is where you can start a fresh session. Don't worry, you don't have to invite anyone just yet. We're simply setting the stage to access the full range of Zoom settings. Now that you've created a new meeting, hover over to the bottom of the window and find the More option. Clicking on this will expose additional features and settings. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This takes you straight to a new menu where you can fine-tune a variety of meeting preferences. Once in the settings, you'll see several tabs. The one we're interested in is labeled Audio. Select it, and you'll find a range of options specifically concerning how Zoom handles your sound. Here you'll see a drop-down menu labeled something like Select a Speaker. This is where the magic happens. It's your gateway to choosing from the various audio devices connected to your system. Browse through the available options, which might include your laptop's built-in speakers, desktop speakers, or even Bluetooth devices. Choose the audio device you want to direct Zoom's sound output through. If you're unsure which device is which, you might want to test them briefly to see where the sound is coming from. Once you've decided, simply click on the desired option to make it active. And there you go. You've now successfully changed your audio output device on Zoom. Just a quick tip, it's always good practice to do a quick sound check before your call to ensure everything is working perfectly. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're all set for your next Zoom meeting with the audio output of your choice.